Greetings and welcome to another video of World AI News. Have you ever pondered the profound influence that artificial intelligence will exert on the film industry? As our world propels itself toward an increasingly automated future, AI is poised to leave an indelible mark on the way films are both produced and experienced. The impact of artificial intelligence extends beyond expediting production timelines. It also fosters a heightened level of interaction between viewers and filmmakers, ushering in an era where the creation of captivating visual content is more accessible than ever. So in today's video, we'll delve into the innovative technologies emerging in the film industry and explore how they have the potential to reshape the landscape of both independent and studio filmmaking. In recent years, artificial intelligence has made remarkable advancements that are leaving their mark on various industries, fundamentally transforming the way we live and work. The film industry, with its knack for adapting to cutting-edge technologies, has not been left behind and is already experiencing a significant convergence with AI-driven tools. It might sound unbelievable, but AI video tools are orchestrating substantial changes in the film industry in 2023 and beyond. These tools have already harnessed the voices of iconic figures like Andy Warhol and Anthony Bourdain for their respective documentaries. They're also making a significant impact in the realm of de-aging software, capable of magically subtracting decades from the appearances of actors. Just take a look at Harrison Ford in the recently released Indiana Jones movie. What's more, AI is influencing everything from mind-boggling visual effects, VFX, to the very way we craft narratives in films, all thanks to the remarkable capabilities of artificial intelligence and machine learning tools. AI-powered filmmaking tools are effectively leveling the playing field, allowing small market and independent filmmakers to compete at a scale that was previously out of reach. This new technology brings the capabilities typically associated with big-budget productions into the hands of filmmakers who may have never imagined such possibilities for their storytelling. It's not because they lacked the desire, but simply because it was once deemed unattainable. This democratization of filmmaking opens up the realm of higher concept storytelling to a broader range of creative minds, ushering in an exciting era of cinematic innovation. But how will AI be used in movies? Script writing. Selecting the right script that can make a significant impact and generate revenue is crucial in the filmmaking process. AI is becoming increasingly valuable in this aspect by streamlining the script writing process. By utilizing extensive data sets of movie scripts, machine learning algorithms analyze and learn from this data to produce original and unique scripts. This AI-driven approach accelerates script creation, resulting in substantial time and resource savings for filmmakers. Editing movies. AI-driven video editing tools are revolutionizing the post-production phase of filmmaking. These advanced tools have the capability to analyze video footage, identify patterns, and autonomously edit and enhance clips, resulting in a significantly faster and more efficient editing process. AI algorithms excel at recognizing the most impactful shots, removing undesirable elements, and even generating automatic video summaries. Additionally, AI-powered tools offer valuable assistance in tasks like color grading, noise reduction, and the incorporation of visual effects, providing filmmakers with enhanced control over the final product. Moreover, movie editors are now harnessing artificial intelligence to create compelling film trailers. AI systems excel in identifying high-action and emotionally charged scenes from movies, which can be effectively highlighted in trailers to captivate audiences. A noteworthy real-world instance of AI in movie editing is the IBM Watson program, which was employed to create a trailer for the science fiction film Morgan. VFX and animation. Producing captivating visual effects, VFX, and lifelike animations typically demands substantial time and resources in the filmmaking industry. However, AI-powered tools are reshaping this landscape by automating intricate tasks like rotoscoping, motion tracking, and compositing. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, filmmakers can significantly expedite the production process for VFX and reduce associated costs. This accessibility to AI-driven VFX solutions is particularly advantageous for independent filmmakers and smaller production companies, allowing them to achieve high-quality visual effects without the extensive time and budget traditionally required. Audience analysis and marketing. AI technology possesses the capability to analyze extensive datasets gathered from various sources, including social media, online platforms, and viewer demographics. This analytical prowess provides valuable insights into audience preferences, enabling filmmakers to customize their content for specific target audiences. It not only aids in refining marketing strategies, but also enhances engagement with viewers. Additionally, AI-powered recommendation systems serve a pivotal role in guiding viewers towards content that aligns with their interests. By leveraging AI algorithms, these systems suggest films and shows tailored to individual preferences, thereby facilitating the discovery of content that resonates with the audience. Creating music. AI-driven music composition tools are steadily advancing and may soon find application in creating musical compositions for films. These tools harness reinforcement learning techniques to analyze diverse datasets of musical compositions. Subsequently, AI generates music patterns that seamlessly adapt to the cinematic context. Considering factors such as the movie genre and anticipated scenarios within the film, this promising technology holds the potential to revolutionize the creation of film scores, offering a versatile and tailored approach to musical accompaniments. AI tools introduce an array of fresh creative avenues and foster collaborative possibilities for filmmakers. Through the automation of specific tasks, AI liberates filmmakers to delve into imaginative concepts and experiment with innovative storytelling techniques. Furthermore, AI-powered collaborative platforms enable seamless remote collaboration, breaking down geographical barriers and bringing together diverse talents in the filmmaking process. In essence, AI technology stands as a valuable asset for filmmakers, whether it serves as a robust starting point or efficiently handles repetitive chores. However, as AI advances, ethical considerations loom large. Filmmakers must grapple with issues concerning data privacy, biases, and potential impact on jobs within the industry. Achieving a harmonious equilibrium between human ingenuity and AI assistance is pivotal, ensuring that AI technology remains a tool that augments rather than supplants artistic expression and human expertise. However, does everyone in the film industry embrace the rise of AI? Every good story needs an antagonist, and for years, artificial intelligence has played that role in Hollywood. HAL from 2001: A Space Odyssey, Ava from Ex Machina, and Ultron from Avengers are all part of a broader narrative that portrays AI as the embodiment of technology's threat to humanity. Yet, with the emergence of generative AI, this threat has moved beyond the silver screen and into the negotiations between various creative guilds and the industry's producers, studios, and streaming platforms, represented by the Alliance of Motion Picture and Television Producers. As the industry grapples with defining AI's role, it has become a significant point of contention. Recently, SAG-AFTRA joined the Writers Guild of America (WGA) in a strike, marking the first double strike in over 60 years, with hundreds of thousands of Hollywood creatives now on strike. AI is just one of the issues at the center of these negotiations, but in the eyes of the guilds, it has the potential to pose a catastrophic threat to their profession. With both guilds at an impasse, Hollywood's production pipeline hangs in the balance. Advancements in AI's generative capabilities have unleashed a wave of possibilities across various industries, and the film industry is no exception. Generative AI in particular has brought about a significant transformation in content creation. This has sparked concerns about AI-powered production potentially overshadowing human creativity in the film industry. Preserving human creativity and the art of filmmaking is now a critical consideration as we collectively navigate this technological paradigm shift. Experts believe that the next stage of technological evolution will revolve around augmented intelligence. This concept refers to companies harnessing software and machines to enhance the abilities, expertise, and experiences of human users and workers. Looking through this lens, the narrative surrounding AI in Hollywood should shift away from viewing AI as a threat and instead focus on a new set of tools that can enhance the capabilities of filmmakers worldwide. Despite recent concerns and negative media coverage, some experts have a positive outlook on AI's impact on the film industry. They believe AI will drive the film industry forward by granting aspiring filmmakers access to previously unavailable tools, thus unlocking unprecedented levels of human creativity. As we gain a deeper understanding of AI tools and their underlying models, it becomes evident that AI can serve as a positive, democratizing force in Hollywood. While issues like script generation and enhanced generative video are significant, the initial wave of AI adoption in Hollywood will primarily be felt in video editing and post-production, where AI tools can enhance human productivity. The creative essence of filmmaking remains intact, but now, through augmented intelligence tools, we can democratize top-tier production capabilities for potentially thousands of filmmakers. Empowering them to realize their creative visions without current limitations promises to usher in a new era of storytelling that will captivate audiences worldwide. As we look to the future of AI in the film industry, it holds the potential for substantial positive impact. However, like any transformative technology, it will require careful management and ethical considerations. We invite you to share your thoughts on the future of AI in the film industry in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please support us by liking it, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell. Thanks for tuning in.